On this edition of Gerry Wood Garage, Brad unboxes the Jeep LED lights that are custom fit for your Jeep. Let's go. Gerry Wood Garage with Brad Wood.
So for me, a giant light bar at the top of my Jeep, and if I'm not actually going to use it for function, to actually light up the woods or an off-road trail or something, if I just want that enough light for dusk, for off, gravel roads or something, but I just want that look, a nice small, high quality LED light on the A-pillar does an excellent job at that. It doesn't detract from the overall Jeep style, but it gives you just that extra little pop. All right, so as we dive into these LEDs, I want to show you, again, we're a Mopar dealer. I'm a big Jeep guy and I love Jeeps, and I just happen to think, for me, that Mopar has a very high quality product that when you consider the benefit of having warranty across the country, let's say you're on vacation, you're doing some trail work, your lights aren't operating, you have it installed at a Jeep dealer, or if it's a Jeep part, you've got warranty at the dealers, Jeep dealers, to get it done and get it fixed. Whereas you get some aftermarket piece, you might not have such support, and the support's key. They say you never have a problem until you have a problem. Of course, all you do-it-yourselfers, very clean, easy to see, read instructions. They do an excellent job at this. I've bought some stuff for my motorcycles and other things where you get the part and you look at it and you're like, okay, that's fine, but there's none of this, and you just gotta work through it. It takes hours. Very simple, clear instructions on how to install. I mean, we're talking about 2 pages for these brackets. You can, I don't know, on a degree of difficult, maybe a 2 out of 10. I'll let you decide that based on your knowledge, but these brackets, and I'll show you the quality here in a second. Again, Mopar, Jeep, taking quality very seriously, fit and finish. These brackets are the real deal. Nicely powder coated, solid piece, no flexibility. And the nice part is when you mount it to your Jeep, these holes match up absolutely perfectly to the factory settings, the factory holes. So you don't have to do any, modifications. You're not trying to twist the thing in here. It just looks, it fits, it feels right. And when you go to sell your Jeep, having nice high quality parts like this that haven't rusted or chipped off like some of the other ones do, and you can see right here, it's got that old Mopar seal of approval. It means something. I'm a motorcycle guy. When I put parts on my Ducati, I'm putting Ducati parts on my Ducati, That's the high quality stuff. So there's the mounting brackets. That's gonna go up in the A-pillar. Then we're gonna get into here, the actual LED lights. I have no idea what that is. Did that come in a box? Hey, I'll save this for Christmas. Oh. All right, let me do that. All right, so let's get into the fun stuff, the lumens, the measurement of light. So, LED lights. You're gonna love this when you see this thing come out of here. This is the deal. These Jeep lights are serious. I gotta be careful, I don't wanna take it out the wrong way. Take our covers off, which if you're running down the highway and you spent money on Jeep lights, you're gonna wanna put those covers on. Comes with the wiring kit, everything you need. Again, high quality piece. Move this box out of the way here and we're gonna dig into it a little bit. So let's look at the light in itself. We're gonna dive into the details. Plenty of LED to shed light on the surface ahead or whatever you're into. Fully adjustable for up and down, I guess is the best way to say that. And she bolts in tight, of course, using our mounting bracket. When you look in here, look how much cooling, light creates heat. LEDs are low heat, but if there's any heat developing, this will help dissipate that. And the quality of the plastic, they do give you the factory Jeep covers. I leave mine on. I've had rocks brush my lights before, and it looks great going on the road like that. Maybe it's not as cool to have that on there, but when you have a rock come through it, it's not so much fun. But even the simple little, listen to the click on this. Perfect fit every time. Pop it off. And it's got 4 clamps, so apparently it's not gonna be like you put it on and then it falls off. Nice high quality piece down to simple little plastic covers with the Jeep logo, of course. And then the wiring harness. I think this is where the rubber meets the road here when it comes to anything electrical. What kind of system do you have? What's the quality of the part? Nicely wrapped, perfect connectors, ready for you to install. Nice long, they're not gonna scrimp on an extra 10 or 12 inches. So you're trying to get it buttoned up tight. But there's your wiring harnesses, one for each light. Super simple. And again, with Jeep, they know we like to do this stuff ourselves. Jeep understands that Jeep people want to modify their Jeeps, but some of them really just, it's a hobby. They want to do it on their own. Here's the zip ties, little parts needed, and very simple, very clear instructions on how to do this so you don't have to worry about fumbling through it. So not everyone likes to do the modifications themselves. They like the idea of getting the Jeep, putting the accessory on, or getting the accessory put on and having it. But just maybe fear of making a mistake, especially with electrical units, give us a call at Gerry Wood. Our techs do this all the time. We have 3 Jeeps lifted and accessorized on our lot at any given time. And you can see that on our website. But they know, they do it every day, repeat, repeat, repeat. Their quality is perfect. To do it right the first time. And again, then you've got warranty all across the country for the 3 years, 36,000 miles. So it's a huge benefit to having parts like this installed, and we're fast and easy, and there's your new Jeep, your new accessory. Some people like to do it a little bit at a time. I'll do the lights this week. I'll do the, a light switch the next week or the next month, depending maybe on budget, but you get a new Jeep every time. That's fun too.
Gerry Wood Garage with Brad Wood. Next on Gerry Wood Garage, Brad unboxes the soft top that every new Jeep owner must see. This thing is cool.